Some push-ups first, Buttle. Do some push-ups first.
Alright, ready? Get warm. Let's go.
Alright, go.
I can't feel my hand anymore.
Ready, go. Jay. Oh!
You haven't gone in.
It's my towel. I'm gonna go in right now.
It's inside.
Can someone go get it? Game.
Stop touching your dick.
She keeps me warm.
Go already.
Joshua for all the marbles. Oh god. Do it already. Just right now. Find my ear. I don't even want to be here. Oh my god. Take me home. I'm good. Okay, I gotta do it. I need to feel the water. I know I do. Put your whole hand in it. Put your whole hand in it. Put your whole hand. Just do it. Oh, why am I here? I'm gonna die. Fuck you, homie.
Pull it up. Pull it up. Pull the black thing up. Yeah. Go. Pull it up. Pull the black. Okay, Josh. All right, Josh, go.
Look, this is like the eye right here. Right here. Oh my god. Ready? Fuck. Hold this, you idiot. I can't. Oh my god. It's your freaking your face. I know. Dude, I'm good. I'm good.
Match's turn. Go,
Matt,
go,
no,
go.
Hey, Matt, if you're not going in, remember what I said? From afar to get in the car. One more time?
One more time.
I'm gonna go one more time. I didn't get a backflip, I fucked up. I was too scared. Yeah, I'm good now.
I'm too scared.
I was too scared, I swear. You do push-ups to get warm fast. Oh, thank God for this fucking towel. Nah, what the fuck? You gotta jump in. Alright, right here. Dude, like, I didn't even think it was gonna be that cold. That's just fucking cold. It's not even that cold. After you do push-ups, you get warm.
Where's my towel?
Right here. Go, Meche. Go, Meche. Go.
Hey, someone's here.
Hey, don't push me. I'm gonna do it myself.
Get her, look. Oh my god, I can't feel my feet.
Hurry, Meche. My battery's dying.
Come on, man. That was refreshing. That thing just woke me up.
Why'd you jump like that? Why'd you jump like that? Why'd you jump like that? The way you jumped, you're like...
Bitch, it's your turn.
I don't have a towel.
Who gives a fuck?
You're going in, Erica. I want to film you.
My leg.
Sick flop. Holy fuck, that was hilarious. Erica's turn.
Jump like that.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh, she went deep. She went.
Oh shit!
Bitch, you don't get no towel.
Oh, that's fucked up. Where's my towel at?
Hey, get back home. cold. You just freeze a little bit.
Just live here.
Hi, Erica, for you.
You gonna do backflips?
My ears
For
pop.
you, alright? Meet the code.
Then why are you doing it again, dumbass?
I can't get off that side. Do it with me.
I'll do that.
Let's go.
Go!
I'll do it off of here.
Well, you have to do it backflip.
Yeah, I am right here.
Hey, I'm gonna swim to the other side. I'm gonna swim to the other side.
Don't do it. You're gonna die.
Yeah, I'm gonna swim to the other side.
I swear to God, look at my toes, I can't even move my toes.
I'm swimming to the other side. No, maybe with the towel over there.
Okay, go on that side, man.
I like this, dumbass.
On your face.
I know.
I didn't see that.
Pull it. Pull it, yeah.
Fuck.
Oh, my feet. Look at my feet.
Not cold.
You're just chilling right now. Here, use my towel, Erica.
No, I'm already getting warm.
No.
If you just don't stay, if you don't move around.
So you're warmer.
This for all the marble.
Let's go.
You do it?
You like burned your face.
I know you feel like icicles. You feel like you're gonna drown.
You're trying to get up.
Fuck!
You go. Go.
Go. Look where they-
You gotta do it, John. You gotta do it.
Fuck. This is torture.
You're gonna swim over there too?
Hell yeah.
Bye, Widow. Widow's there.
I don't know, I'm not gonna do that. Fuck that. Go, Mitch, your turn.
No, we're not doing any more fucking that.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Your face freezes.
Hell yeah.
Okay, we're done recording. Let's just go.